Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is one that affects millions of men worldwide: prostate problems. The prostate gland is a vital part of the male reproductive system, and when it doesn't function correctly, it can cause a variety of issues. One of the most common prostate problems is an enlarged prostate, which can cause uncomfortable and embarrassing symptoms. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing the latest medical information on the 10 most effective foods for enlarged prostate. These foods are proven to help reduce the symptoms of an enlarged prostate and promote overall prostate health. Before we dive into the food list, let's quickly talk about what the prostate gland is and what it does. The prostate gland is a small, walnut-shaped gland that sits below the bladder in men. Its primary function is to produce and secrete fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. As men age, the prostate gland can become enlarged, leading to a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia. This condition affects around 50 of men over the age of 50 and can cause a range of symptoms, including frequent urination, difficulty urinating, and a weak urine stream. Thankfully, there are many ways to manage an enlarged prostate, including medication and surgery. But did you know that what you eat can also play a significant role in prostate health? That's right. Certain foods contain nutrients and compounds that can help reduce inflammation and promote prostate health. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 10 most effective foods for an enlarged prostate. Get ready to take notes and improve your prostate health. Hey there, before I dive into the information, I wanted to quickly ask you for a small favor. If you're finding this content helpful and would like to stay up to date with our latest videos, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos and won't miss any of the valuable information we share. Thanks in advance for your support. Now, let's jump into the topic at hand. Let's start the countdown to the 10 most effective foods for an enlarged prostate, starting with number 1, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritious snack that can be enjoyed throughout the year. They are full of essential nutrients and offer plenty of health benefits. Let's take a closer look at why pumpkin seeds are so beneficial. They are a great source of vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. These small seeds have high levels of zinc, which is a vital part of the human body. Zinc is important for prostate health, and studies have found that 75% of men with BPH have low zinc levels. Eating pumpkin seeds can help boost zinc levels, which can be beneficial for those with an enlarged prostate. Research conducted in 2019 revealed that pumpkin seed extract had a positive effect on the symptoms of BPH, such as urinary frequency and urgency compared to the placebo group. This indicates that consuming pumpkin seeds may be helpful in treating symptoms of BPH. Later in 2020, a similar study was conducted to assess the impact of pumpkin seed oil on BPH. It was discovered that pumpkin seed oil had a significant improvement in urinary function and quality of life in BPH patients. This implies that pumpkin seed oil could provide an effective treatment for those suffering from BPH. Now that we know about the health benefits of pumpkin seeds, let's talk about how to eat them. You can roast them in the oven with a bit of salt and pepper for a delicious and crunchy snack. Alternatively, you can add them to salads, oatmeal, or smoothies for an extra boost of nutrition. If you prefer a sweeter snack, try roasting pumpkin seeds with a bit of honey and cinnamon. Next on our list is number 2, yellow peppers. Yellow peppers are a variety of sweet pepper that are high in nutrients and are often used in cooking for their bright color and mild, sweet flavor. One medium-sized yellow pepper contains approximately 50 calories, 3 grams of fiber, and 220% of the daily recommended value of vitamin C, making it one of the best sources of this essential nutrient. Additionally, yellow peppers are rich in antioxidants such as carotenoids, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. When it comes to enlarged prostate, studies have shown that a diet rich in vegetables such as yellow peppers can help reduce the risk of this condition. One study, published in the Journal of Urology in 2019, found that a diet high in fruits and vegetables was associated with a lower risk of benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, a common condition that causes enlargement of the prostate gland. Another study, published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2020, One found that men who consumed higher amounts of vitamin C from fruits and vegetables had a lower risk of BPH compared to those who consumed lower amounts. To incorporate yellow peppers into your diet, there are many ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable. They can be eaten raw, sliced into salads, or added to sandwiches for a fresh and crunchy texture. They can also be roasted, grilled, or sautéed as a delicious side dish. Yellow peppers can also be used in stir-fries, soups, and stews for added flavor and nutrition. Next on our list is number 3, onions. Onions are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. They also contain sulfur compounds, which give them their distinct aroma and flavor. These sulfur compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Now let's talk about how onions can benefit your prostate health. Prostate enlargement, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia. Onions contain a compound called quercetin, which has been shown to help reduce the size of the prostate gland. In fact, a study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research in 2020 found that quercetin supplementation significantly improved prostate symptoms in men with benign prostatic hyperplasia. Onions can also help fight urinary tract infections, which are more common in men with an enlarged prostate. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2021 found that onion extract had strong antibacterial activity against the bacteria that commonly cause urinary tract infections. So, how can you incorporate onions into your diet? Onions can be eaten raw or cooked, and they are a great addition to salads, sandwiches, soups, and stews. To get the most nutrients from onions, it's best to eat them raw or lightly cooked. Cooking onions for too long can destroy some of their beneficial compounds. Next on our list is number 4, avocados. Avocados are a popular and nutritious fruit that are high in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're often used in a variety of dishes, including salads, smoothies, and sandwiches. In addition to being delicious, avocados are also known for their health benefits, especially for men with enlarged prostates. One of the key nutrients found in avocados is beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that has been shown to help reduce the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2020 found that men who consumed a diet high in beta-sitosterol had significantly lower levels of prostate-specific antigen or PC, a marker of prostate inflammation and cancer risk. Another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2021 found that supplementing with beta-sitosterol reduced urinary symptoms in men with benign prostatic hyperplasia. So, how can you incorporate avocados into your diet to take advantage of their health benefits? There are many ways to eat avocados, but one of the simplest is to slice them in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh with a spoon. You can also mash them into guacamole or spread them on toast for a quick and easy snack. Adding avocados to salads, smoothies, and sandwiches is also a great way to boost their nutritional value and take advantage of their unique flavor and texture. Next on our list is number 5, nuts. Nuts are nutrient-dense foods that provide numerous health benefits. They are a good source of protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Some of the most common types of nuts include almonds, walnuts, pistachios, cashews, and peanuts. When it comes to enlarged prostate, studies have shown that consuming nuts can be helpful. In particular, the high levels of zinc and selenium found in nuts have been linked to a reduced risk of developing prostate cancer. A study published in 2021 in the International Journal of Cancer found that men who consumed nuts regularly had a lower risk of developing advanced prostate cancer. Another study published in 2020 in the Journal of Nutritional Science showed that eating nuts can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is thought to play a role in the development of prostate cancer. To get the most benefit from nuts, it is important to eat them in moderation and combine them with other healthy foods. They are rich in omega-3 and selenium. Studies suggest that the consumption of nuts combined with foods that contain soy is an effective remedy to prevent prostate cancer. You can incorporate nuts into your diet in a variety of ways, such as adding them to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt, or simply enjoying a handful as a snack. Next on our list is number 6, green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from Camellia sinensis leaves and buds that have not undergone the same withering and oxidation process used to make oolong teas and black teas. It has been consumed for thousands of years, particularly in East Asia, and is known for its numerous health benefits. One of the ways that green tea can help with an enlarged prostate is through its high levels of antioxidants. According to a 2020 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, green tea extract was found to reduce the size of prostate glands in rats with benign prostatic hyperplasia by inhibiting the production of androgen receptors. Another study, published in the journal Nutrients in 2019, found that green tea consumption was associated with a reduced risk of developing prostate cancer. This is because green tea contains polyphenols, natural antioxidant compounds that can paralyze the growth and development of prostate cancer. The most abundant and active polyphenol in green tea is epigallocatechin 3-gallate, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells in multiple studies. If you're looking to incorporate green tea into your diet to help with an enlarged prostate, it's important to know how to prepare and consume it properly. It's recommended to brew green tea for around 3 to 4 minutes at a temperature of 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit to get the most out of its beneficial compounds. It's also a good idea to drink it without adding any sugar or milk, as these can negate some of its health benefits. Next on our list is number 7, bluefish. Bluefish, also known as oily fish, are types of fish that are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for overall health, particularly for the heart and brain. However, recent scientific studies have also shown that bluefish can help with an enlarged prostate. According to a 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients, consuming bluefish can reduce the risk of developing an enlarged prostate. The study found that men who consumed at least 1 serving of fish per week had a lower risk of developing BPH compared to those who consumed fish less frequently. Another study published in the Journal of Urology in 2021 found that consuming a diet high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as those found in bluefish, can help alleviate symptoms associated with BPH, such as urinary frequency and urgency. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, and herring are all examples of bluefish that contain omega-3 essential fatty acids. These fatty acids can help increase the production of prostaglandins, substances that act on the reproductive system, as well as improve blood flow. To incorporate more bluefish into your diet, try incorporating them into your meals a few times a week. Baked salmon, sardines on toast, or a tuna salad with herring are all tasty options to consider. Alternatively, you can also consider taking fish oil supplements, but be sure to consult with your healthcare provider first to determine the appropriate dosage. Next on our list is number 8, soy foods. If you're looking for a natural way to support your prostate health, soy-based foods might be worth considering. Soybeans are a rich source of isoflavones, which are compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Specifically, research has shown that isoflavones can help inhibit the growth of prostate tumor cells, potentially reducing the risk of prostate cancer. According to a 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients, men who consumed soy-based foods regularly had a lower risk of developing prostate cancer compared to those who did not consume soy products. Another study from 2020, one published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, found that consuming soy protein may help improve symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, a common condition in which the prostate gland becomes enlarged and can cause urinary problems. So, how can you incorporate soy-based foods into your diet? Foods like tofu, soy milk, and edamame or green soybeans are all excellent sources of soy. You can try adding tofu to stir, fries or salads, enjoying a glass of soy milk with your breakfast, or snacking on edamame as a healthy afternoon pick-me-up. It's worth noting that soy-based foods may not be appropriate for everyone. If you have a soy allergy or are taking certain medications, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before adding soy to your diet. Next on our list is number 9, tomatoes. Did you know that tomatoes are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health? One of the most notable benefits of tomatoes is their ability to help with enlarged prostate. According to a study published in the International Journal of Cancer in 2020, men who consumed a high amount of tomato-based products had a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. This is because tomatoes contain a high amount of lycopene, a substance found in plant-based foods that helps prevent prostate inflammation. Lycopene has also been found to have antioxidant properties, which can help protect the body from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Another study, published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2021, found that a diet high in tomato products was associated with a lower risk of developing BPH. The study showed that men who consumed more than 10 servings of tomato-based products per week had a significantly lower risk of BPH compared to those who consumed less than 1 serving per week. So, how can you take advantage of the benefits of tomatoes for your prostate health? It's simple. You can add more tomatoes to your diet by incorporating them into your meals. Tomatoes can be eaten raw, cooked, or even in the form of tomato-based products like tomato sauce or salsa. Just remember that cooking tomatoes can actually increase their lycopene content, making them even more beneficial for your prostate health. Next, number 10, water. Water is a crucial component of a healthy lifestyle and is essential for many bodily functions. But did you know that water can also help with an enlarged prostate? Let's take a closer look. Firstly, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water can help reduce the symptoms of an enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia. A recent study published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health in 2020 found that men with BPH who drank more water had significantly lower international prostate symptom scores than those who drank less water. The study also found that higher water intake was associated with better quality of life scores for BPH patients. In addition to reducing symptoms, water can also help prevent urinary tract infections, which can worsen symptoms of an enlarged prostate. A study published in the Journal of Urology in 2017 found that men with BPH who drank more fluids, especially water, had a lower risk of developing urinary tract infections. The study recommended that men with BPH should aim to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of fluid per day, including water and other non-alcoholic beverages. So, how can you incorporate more water into your daily routine? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses or 64 ounces of water per day. You can also incorporate other hydrating foods and drinks into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, and herbal tea. Remember, water and other non-alcoholic fluids can help flush bacteria from the bladder, reducing the chance of developing a urinary tract infection. If you or someone you know is dealing with an enlarged prostate, it's important to remember that a healthy diet can go a long way in managing the condition. By incorporating some of these foods into your diet, you can potentially reduce symptoms and improve your overall quality of life. Remember to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medication. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.